Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to do another video here, and you can probably guess by the title, it's going to be about Bitcore. This was a hard fork off of the Bitcoin network. I really didn't know much about it. I heard it come up a couple times in conversations, but I didn't really look into it until recently. This is pretty cool. It has a lot of the same things that Bitcoin has, except it's a hybrid. So it has a proof of stake work in there, and the way that the proof of stake works on this particular coin is kind of unique. You get it via a airdrop, which is here. So basically the way it works is every week you have your wallet registered for an airdrop. You receive 5% of Bitcore to your wallet that is registered. So it's basically like proof of stake. The more you hold, the more you're going to get compensated, because that helps complete transactions rather than doing it through computations on the proof of work. So I thought that was interesting, and I really like the way proof of stake is coming into the the mainstream. It's pretty much going into all coins now. I think Ethereum even is switching. From what I heard, they might eventually switch purely to proof of stake. I still think we should use a hybrid system, and this is another coin that is a hybrid system. I do have to look at the paper and see if it is ever going to move to full proof of stake. Sometimes coins do proof of work to a certain point, and then they switch to proof of stake. I have to find out yet whether or not this is one of those coins or not. But so there's another way you can use an airdrop too. I haven't done this yet because I didn't own enough Bitcoin to make it worth it. From what I remember, I think it's for every full Bitcoin you hold, you get a half of a Bitcore coin. So that's a little confusing, and the other thing is you have to register your private keys on it, and so I don't know that I fully trust that, and I wouldn't recommend doing that for the Bitcoin airdrop, but I definitely recommend, if you do use Bitcore and you buy any, to register for the airdrop directly for holding Bitcore. It wouldn't make sense not to, and if you don't register, you don't get that 5%. So the whole reason that I'm looking over Bitcore and how this came to be for me was I was looking for a new coin to mine. I was going to do a coin every month. The coin I was mining previously was Denarius, but one of the things was the difficulty for Denarius went up so high, it just made it not worth it for me to do it anymore, because it went from making 35 Denarius a day to 20. So in the matter of like a week, it just dropped. So I was looking at different coins, and this one seemed promising. So I have to do a test run. I just set up 4 of my 5 miners to start mining it. I don't know why it says I have 5 up. I only have 4. But so we will see how profitable this is, and if I'm going to continue to actually use this as a mining coin. It's a potential investment coin as well, and that's kind of why I looked into mining it, because if it's profitable to mine it and it's profitable to invest in it, then that's a double-sided sword. That's really good. And I have to look a little bit more into it, but it seems like everything is pretty good. It seems legit. The only thing that I could say that I didn't like so far was that their timeline is rather bleak. There's like almost nothing done since it went live. The only thing they really did was do the snapshot of the Bitcoin blockchain for the airdrops, and that's pretty much all they did. But the layout of the website's nice, and it definitely has some promising features. They don't have a hardware wallet yet, which is strange. I didn't know that. I thought they had one, but I guess they don't. Unless it is out, because we are technically in quarter 1, but we're in the very beginning of quarter 1, so I couldn't see that that has been released already. I use Coinomi for my wallet for Bitcore, and you can still register with the airdrops via Coinomi as well. And it is accepted on a lot of major exchanges. I don't believe this is on Bittrex yet. It might be, but it's on Cryptopia, which is big. I use that one. If it's on Bittrex too, that would be really nice, but I'm pretty sure that's not on there yet. But so, yep, that's it, guys. If you have any questions for me, let me know, and I'll see what I can do about answering them for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.